So Nicolas Cage was still in that movie.
More than that.
30.
If you had some money, he'll break. Everybody has a price.
Actually, if you got money like that, I think I would get more enjoyment out of buying something and putting it together myself. This is Pontiac right here. I had one of those Firebirds. That's from Stevens, though.
Trans Am. He do have a Trans Am. There's a car he decided he's gonna test drive and end up in North Carolina.
Oh, you told me about that.
My brother, he bought a Trans Am. He said he's gonna go test it out. Next thing you know, he was at my father's house in North Carolina 6 hours later.
They got the wings on the bottom.
Did they come and arrest him?
Oh no, it was his.
Oh, he bought it.
Yeah, he had just bought it.
Oh, I thought he went test driving it.
No,
and then he
sitting outside and go test drive real quick. I'm take it out on the highway. Next thing you know,
oh, here we go. This is the one with the motor in the back.
Matrix.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's tight.
So with the top on, it's like, how do you do this? Somebody had to put a clutch in one. They said they had to damn drop the goddamn motor.
When you buy that, you got money to get people
You got some money.
Yeah.
So I got it that way. I can pick it up.
That's the motor my Mustang had in it. 4.6. Then they went back to the 5.0s.
Yeah.
That Mustang you let me drive. I was flying down 295.
Oh, Tyree got a bike too.
Didn't you give him one?
No.
What kind of bike you got?
What's that? Looks like a bat. You hit somebody with it.
Oh, it's a camera. He's a little weird.
You can tell I'm old. I don't know what that is.
What size is that motor in that bike Tyree got?
I don't know. I haven't even seen it up close.
It's a, I think it's an R7.
750?
White.
Be any color.
And he had this he had this hydraulic kit. He put it on each side of the car and hit the button to raise the car up. The dude wanted it. So he traded the bike for it.
On his car? Or just the hydraulics?
He just had the hydraulics. He got him. I think Tyree got him when he's married to his brother Junior. I don't know where he got him from. Tyree didn't pay for him. He wanted him, saw him. Came down on the truck, dropped the bike off. Tyree had one of his neighbors take it out. And he was 110 on the highway. And got lots of bikes around there. And they told me about it.
Didn't you give him a bike?
Yeah.
What happened to it?
It's in Gil's backyard. I'm probably gonna take that and put it in the shop. And the guy came back the next day and bought the title.
Dude, food truck out here would kill.
So the other bike is probably gonna pick it up, bring it to my house, put it in the shop, see what we do with it.
You gonna keep it?
Yep.
You gonna ride it?
I'm gonna ride it if I can fix it up.
I put mine back there.
Oh,
Got everything
yo,
going.
there's a guy out here on 130. He just been sitting in his yard. He's been there for like 3 years on the trail. They moved for nothing. I think probably buying real cheap.
People are bringing more shit home. I just paid bills on.
Well, I mean,
This doesn't cost you anything.
let's say he say, hey, you know what? Give me $1,200 for both of them on the trail.
That's $10 a piece.
Yeah.
I can come up with $600.
They're small motors. You gotta have boat lights so that you can ride it.
Right. Anybody take a class.
But it looks like they're sitting there like somebody stopped using them.
What?
What you mean, your
gotta buy it. Now you gotta buy it.
Oh, they got a little food thing over there, trying.
Yeah, I just saw it.
Good for
I don't know
$45.
why I'm gonna buy it and then bite into something that I don't pull. Ooh, I haven't seen one of these in a minute.
Z24. This is Z26 right there.
I have a Z24, the one you tore up.
Yeah, the Z24 with the 2.8 liter in it.
Yep. You look at all these people, I'll smack you in the mouth.
Why?
Y'all want to see a fight, folks?
When you tore up,
Smack them.
I want to see what happens.
he was like, let me borrow your car. I come back, it's what you do to my car? Oh, I washed the engine. Car ain't worked right since.
Wow. Now she's on her second brand new car and still talking shit.
I like that one though.
You gotta buy a third. Keep it quiet.
Yeah, get me. I don't even need a new one. I'll take a 1960 Chevy Bell.
Are you done? I'm stopping my recording.